Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got this little machine that I bought a couple weeks ago on a auction, just for curiosity as I never see one in person. However, this little Sonic game came in a really bad shape. As you can see, it's quite dusty and most important, the front sticker is almost fully missing. As for the back, it is full of scratches, but at least there's no battery corrosion on the springs. So, as always, have a seat, relax, enjoy me to see what we can do for this little machine. Stick around. First, as always, let's disassemble it completely and go from there. After the disassembly, the first thing to do is a nice bath in soap and hot water. After the wash, as you may notice, there is a visible difference between the sticker place and the rest of the plastic. So, for correct that, I will try to retro-write it to see if we can bring back the original white. So, I submerge all the plastic pieces in some hydrogen peroxide and let it bake in the sun for a couple hours. Meanwhile, I will need to design a new front sticker. So, let's open CorelDRAW and let's go. In the end, I came out with 4 different designs, and to help me decide which one to choose, I posted on Facebook and let the people decide. A couple days later, the number 3 is the winner. So after minor tweaks, it is printed and ready to be cutted. The retro bright is also finished, and as you can see, the result is amazing. There is almost no difference between the sticker place and the rest of the plastics. And now, just before we start the reassembly process, we need to do a quick clean to the internal components, and after that, we are ready to reassemble this machine again. the new sticker is placed, and we are done. This is it, a quick restoration to this amazing little machine. Of course, I have to leave my mark, and in this case I do it in the sticker design. I think my design is much more interesting. And as always, I hope you enjoy another simple restoration. If you want to see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like, comment and also share this video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.